Okay, this is a DutchPour bloom again, hopefully. Let's see if I can keep practicing and improving on this method. I have a light blue as my background. I have Pebio's iridescent blue-green. I have Pebio's iridescent blue-black. I have a handmade light blue, and then I have my gold, which is actually Pebio's iridescent gold and Deco Art gold. And then I have a mixture of white that has this pearlescence color in it by Creative Inspirations. So let's see how this goes today. So even though this is a completely failed DutchPour, I'm leaving it the way it is. I'm gonna let it dry and I have a plan for it. So back to the drawing board. I know what I did. I used too much paint and I think my paint is too thin. So I will try this again. It is dry. I am so excited. This came out really cool considering it was a completely failed painting at the beginning. I really love the end result. It kind of to me looks a little bit like a waterfall with the water pooling in the middle. At first I thought maybe it kind of looked like a snowflake too, but I'm going with the with like a lagoon look to me it is, or maybe a winter scene looking up at the sky. I don't know. I just really love it. I would really love if anybody has any insight of what it looks like to them. I love hearing other people's opinions. If you'll let me know in the comments below, that would just be so awesome. Everybody has a different take on different modern abstract art, what it is to them, and I love hearing what other people's imagination tells them. It's just awesome.